Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. In today's video, you will practice your English through a deep, emotional, and inspiring story titled The Train Window. This story will help you improve your listening skills, learn new vocabulary, and enjoy a beautiful narrative at the same time. So, get comfortable, stay focused, and let's begin our journey. The Train Window, a journey that changed everything. It was a quiet Sunday morning when Lena decided to take the early train to the countryside. She didn't normally travel alone, but that day felt different. Her heart was heavy, and her mind felt like a storm of questions. Lena sat by the window and placed her small backpack on her lap. Outside, the station slowly filled with people, some laughing, some tired, and some in a hurry. But Lena felt like she was standing still, even though everything around her was moving. When the train finally started rolling, she rested her head against the cool glass and watched the city disappear behind her. Chapter 1. The Stranger. After a few minutes, someone took the seat next to her. It was a young man around her age, carrying a sketchbook and wearing big headphones. He smiled politely. "Hi," he said softly. "I'm Noah." Lena nodded. "I'm Lena." Noah opened his sketchbook. Inside were beautiful drawings, mountains, rivers, birds, and faces full of emotion. She couldn't stop staring. He noticed and chuckled. "You can look, it's okay. I like when people enjoy my art." Lena hesitated. "Your drawings feel alive." Noah smiled. "That's because they're drawn from moments, real moments." They sat in silence for a while, watching the world fly past the window. Chapter 2. The Conversation. After an hour, Noah finally asked, "Why are you traveling alone?" Lena looked outside. "I needed space from everything." "Family?" he asked. She nodded slowly. "My mom and I argued. I felt like I couldn't breathe at home, so I left for a day to think." Noah leaned back. "That's brave, you know. Most people run, not to think, but to escape." Lena glanced at him. "And you? Why are you traveling?" He pointed to his sketchbook. "To find new stories, I draw people, places, feelings, everything I cannot say with words." The train passed a bridge. Sunlight filled the carriage with golden light. For the first time that day, Lena smiled. Chapter 3. The Unexpected Stop. Suddenly, the train slowed down. The conductor announced that there would be a 30-minute stop because of maintenance on the tracks. Passengers complained, but Noah stood up. "Come," he said. "There's a field outside. Let's walk for a bit." Lena hesitated, but something inside her said yes. They stepped onto a small patch of grass beside the tracks. The air was fresh, filled with the smell of pine trees. Noah took a deep breath. This is why I travel." Lena closed her eyes and let the wind brush her face. She felt lighter, calmer. Noah opened his sketchbook again and started drawing her. "Hey," she laughed. "What are you doing?" "I'm drawing this moment," he said. "You look peaceful for the first time." She blushed. Chapter 4. The Truth. Back on the train, Noah showed her the drawing. It was simple but beautiful. Her face relaxed, eyes closed, hair moving with the wind. "You captured me," she whispered. Noah nodded. People carry storms inside them, but sometimes the world gives us a quiet moment to breathe. Lena swallowed hard. "No one has ever seen me like that." "Then maybe," he said softly, "you're finally seeing yourself." She didn't know why, but tears filled her eyes. Noah looked concerned. "Did I say something wrong?" "No," she said quickly. It's just, I've felt lost for so long. He gently placed a hand over hers. You're not lost. You're just growing. Chapter 5. When paths crossed, 2 hours passed in deep conversation. They talked about dreams, fears, art, and family. It felt like they had known each other for years, not minutes. When the train approached Lena's stop, her heart sank. This is me, she said quietly. Noah closed his sketchbook. Will we meet again? Lena looked at him, unsure. I don't know. He tore the drawing from his book and handed it to her. Then keep this, a reminder of who you are today. Her lips trembled. Thank you. As she stepped off the train, Noah called out, Lena, don't stop searching for yourself. The world needs your light. She watched the train disappear into the distance, and for the first time in a long time, she felt hope. And that was today's story. The Train Window, a journey that changed everything. I hope you enjoyed it and learned new English expressions along the way. If you want more beautiful stories like this one, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and keep learning English with love and passion.